We're in Central Park in New York. Just gonna walk around and see what's going on. Park's alive today. These guys behind us have been trying to hype the crowd up for like 10 minutes now and haven't done anything.
One backflip.
And Tara could do that in her sleep, in the sandals and the pant romper thing. Tara said that roadhouse is in 27 dresses.
I know my chick flicks.
So apparently another TV show, movie shout out, apparently Gossip Girl, Steps to the Met is a thing. And we are at the base of the Steps to the Met. Going back to the place, gonna have a drink. Get ready because we gotta leave for Tay-Tay here soon, and she of course does not allow any kind of recording video equipment at all, so this will stay behind. But we're excited for the concert, and maybe I can snap some photos and videos of the crowd. Check out the city in the background. Made it off the subway. I don't know where we are. We're lost in New York forever. Tara, are you excited?
Super excited.
Who are we going to see? We're going to see Garth Brooks. Back in Airbnb, just got some food at TikTok Diner. It was your late night spot, yeah. So, what did you think of this like concert we went to? Who did we see? Kenny Ratter, Taylor Swift. You saw, yes. So T Swift was great, obviously. Heck of production. I don't know what I'm supposed to say. Songs are good, right?
I loved it. I'm obviously a huge Taylor Swift fan. That's the reason that we came to New York this weekend. But she puts on a heck of a show every single time. Always plays all of her most current songs and mixed in with a few of her old hits. And I gotta say I loved it.
I think after this show, she'll have a good reputation.
Stop.
See what I did there?
No.
Her show is more of like storytelling and like a Broadway performance than it is like a concert. Because they're like video screens. Her video screens. The production quality is just top notch. So whether you're in the first row, or the last row, you're gonna have a good experience because of how she's able to keep you entertained and interested. Now we're going home. Clearly, time to go home.